I'm Sue Steinman, Oro Valley's only AI-certified realtor and the ninja girl who drives a Jeep. It starts in your kitchen, realizing your home feels like too much space, too much upkeep. Why am I still doing this? In Marana, you're not alone. Thinking about downsizing? Watch this before you make a costly mistake. What downsizing in Marana, Arizona actually means and what it doesn't. Downsizing isn't about giving things up. It's about making life easier, lighter, and more intentional. In Marana, it's easy to have more house than you need. Real downsizing means letting go, simplifying, and turning your equity into freedom. Smart move, not emotional one. The costly mistakes most Marana homeowners make and regret later. Mistake 1, waiting too long to decide. We'll do it next year, we're not ready yet. Then suddenly, the house needs repairs, the market shifts, and what could have been simple feels overwhelming. Timing matters more than you think. Mistake 2, underestimating the emotional side. It's not just a house, it's memories and milestones. That's why people either stall or rush decisions just to get it over with. And neither ends well. Mistake 3, trying to do everything alone. Trying to handle everything at once leads to overwhelm, bad decisions, and missed opportunities. You don't have to do this alone. Mistake 4, choosing the wrong selling strategy. Not every home fits the same approach. The wrong strategy can cost you time and money. Mistake 5, focusing only on the sale, not the next step. Selling is just one piece. Without a plan for what's next, people end up scrambling later. That's backwards. Let me show you 2 futures, because this is where it gets real. Future 1, no plan. You decide to downsize, eventually. But you wait too long, start to feel overwhelmed, make rushed decisions, and end up leaving money on the table. And instead of feeling relieved at the end of it all, you feel stressed. Future 2, smart strategy. You start with a plan, you understand your options, take things step by step, make confident decisions, and sell strategically. And when it's all done, you feel lighter, clearer, and in control. That's the difference. What smart downsizing in Marana actually looks like, how I help you avoid these mistakes. Every week I talk to people in Marana just like you. They're not sure where to start, they don't want to make a mistake, and they just want someone to guide them without making it complicated. That's exactly what I do. I'm Sue Steinman, Oro Valley's only AI-certified realtor and the ninja girl who drives a Jeep. Let's make your next move simple. If you're even thinking about downsizing, selling, relocating, or just exploring your options, let's talk. No pressure, no confusion, just a real plan that works for you. Call or text me at 847-530-2517. You don't have to figure this out alone, and you definitely don't have to regret it later.